Hello, today is Tuesday, the 28th of April, and this instructional video is for our ACYI, Eagle, Fitness, and PE students. This is Coach Funk. Just to take you through this guide real quick, you'll notice that we are still taking your logs each day, and the muscle group quiz for those who haven't taken it. Look for your grades to be online hopefully by the end of this week for those of you who have taken it. Of course, your jump rope routine. And then we have a special guest presenter Thursday at 10 o'clock live. Should be able to have a workout. It's called Pound Fitness. And you'll need, when you come, to be ready to exercise. So get yourself ready before 10 o'clock. And then at 10 o'clock, you'll be able to do this Pound Fitness. It's kind of like a drumming exercise. So if you have some drumsticks, great. If not, maybe you have something instead, like a couple of just sticks off the tree, or a couple of pencils, or maybe some wooden spoons if you ask your parents' permission. And anyway, and if you don't have any sticks, you can still come. It should be just fine without them. But it's going to be this Thursday, so if you can come, it'll be great. And then we're hopefully, if we can figure it out, going to post a link that you can watch that video later that day, and it should be a lot of fun, and it's really going to be cool to have a local presenter, a volunteer, come in and give you a guest presentation, and should be fun. So plan on that for Thursday at 10 or sometime after. Anyway, today for Tuesday, you've got your warm-up choices, and then on skill work, you'll notice there is two new really dark links. One is the Presidential Fitness Test Tracker, and the other one is instructions for the Presidential Fitness Test. I'm going to take you in here to the Presidential Fitness Test Tracker. Probably the best idea would be if you were to take and print this tracker so that you can have it to write on, or if you can do it electronically, that's fine. But you'll notice we have 5 fitness tests for you to try, and as you try them, you'll get your first score written here. And if you take the test several times on the first day, that's fine, but only write one score as your attempt, and then just have your parents witness, write their initials. And then you're going to be able to practice these fitness tests throughout the week and then take them again later, so that eventually you'll have this test tracker filled out with the first and second attempts. After that, if you're still anxious to get the Presidential Fitness Award, why then you can keep trying third, fourth, or even more attempts than that. But anyway, for instructions on the Presidential Fitness Test, you'll want to go to this document. And once you get there, you'll see that there's instructions on how to do all the different tests, as well as the awards you could win, and it's pretty fantastic. So read it pretty close, have some parental help, and then at the very bottom of this document, you can see there are the requirements, or in other words, criteria for the different classes. So we've got boys 6th grade and boys 7th grade, girls 6th and girls 7th grades, and that will be on here. So get to work on that fitness testing. Mrs. Fuller has something for you. Go ahead, Mrs. Fuller. Thank you. Eventually, yeah, that's correct. Eventually, to turn in this assignment, we're going to let you just keep that Presidential Fitness Test Tracker for your records for yourself, okay? What we want you to do, though, is on your log to tell us that you've done all the tests today, and then go ahead and put it on there, or maybe you don't finish till tomorrow, that's fine. Yeah, and you could write your scores in the log if you want, but eventually if you feel like you've earned the Presidential Fitness Award based on the criteria that is shown on that page right here that we showed you, we have some prizes we're going to get to you, and we have these wristbands that you can wear with pride. They're awesome. And then for us to give you that award, though, we will need you to take a picture of the Presidential Fitness Tracker with your scores and showing that you've earned the Presidential Fitness Award for your grade and class. Does that sound right, Mrs. Fuller? Okay. Wonderful. So there you go. So that's your skill work, and you can be practicing those fitness tests every day for a week. But kind of like Milo of Croton, that story yesterday, as you apply yourself and put yourself through some some challenging tasks, your body will respond and get stronger. And then with all this going on, be sure you still fill out and submit your logs every day. Okay? All right. Anything else, Mrs. Fuller? Yeah, enjoy the sun. So look for more instructional videos on maybe how to chart um, your distances for the 800 meter. We haven't put that together yet, but we're gonna get you one. Okay? Have have a great day. Ciao.